Round 3, fight. Well, it's the next day and it's sunny and nice, so we did a little nursery hopping. So I realized everything up there is green, different shades of green, so I got some color pops. I guess this is new this year, Proven Winners Double Play Candy Corn, and it is bright orange, so pretty cool. I'm excited about that one. And then we got a Barberry. This one is Concorde. And then this one is slightly different. A little more wild growing, bigger leaves, less dense, and I imagine it gets bigger. What is it called? Shit, let me think. Royal Cloak. Royal Cloak. And then we've got, what was this guy called? Vintage Gold Cypress and a variegated boxwood, which I think these need partial sun and not full sun. So I think all of these are gonna go up sporadically around in there. We just gotta figure it out. And then, so around this, I'm gonna do 3 or 4 of these tall junipers that are kind of on the blue side, cause like, check that out. And then the purple will go near a yellow one. And I've got my little supervisor today. Right, Buff? First, I think I need to remove some logs. This is gonna be a mess. Okay. Hold on. I'm over here panting, and you're like, why the fuck don't I have water? I'm panting. Right? Shake the leg right, you know? Are you gonna have a snow? Walk break. Oh my god, it's hot. I can't decide where to put things. I just gotta water them in. It's probably the worst time of day to do this, so I'm gonna have to give them tons of water. And then I will probably water them every sunny day until it starts raining. But good progress, I feel like. Let's take a wider look. Hello, Buff. So we got one of the barberries there. I got that proven winner one there. A couple things beside it. I think it's pretty cool. Can't wait till they fill in. All right, so we are gonna water. I'm getting some water from my rain barrel. Okay, up the hill. Up that hill. Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh, sweet Jesus. Oh, yeah. This is my... I forget what it's called. Buff, just stay there. You're fine. Plum cherry. Looks like it's growing. Oh, man. There's a massive hole in my fucking bucket. All right, I better be quick. You get some water. So there's one barberry. There's variegated boxwood, random. This is not enough water. Oh my god, the goddamn watering can just totally cracked open while I was picking it up. Cool. Vintage gold. Vintage gold false cypress. The beautiful candy corn. Candy corn Spirea from Proven Winners. Whoop whoop. I don't remember what these junipers are called. Some sort of fastigiate, but they're kind of blue. Man, that color. That one's kind of blue. Okay, I literally grabbed a new one. Whole side cracked open. God damn. All right, well, I will get these watered somehow.